Hello, welcome to my channel, Glow English Hub. I am Shinu. This is the channel where your English begins to shine. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or just want to improve your speaking skills, this is the perfect place for you. So get ready to learn, speak, and grow with confidence. So, like and subscribe now and let your English glow. So let's begin. Word number 1, please. Please is a magic word. It makes your request sound soft and respectful. For example, please help me. Please wait for me. Always remember, no please means less politeness. Word number 2, thank you. Thank you shows your good manners. When someone helps you, never forget to say it. For example, thank you so much. Repeat, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Repeat, thank you for your time. A thankful person is always liked by everyone. Word number 3, sorry. We all make mistakes, but a good person says, sorry. For example, I'm sorry for being late. Repeat, I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for the mistake. Repeat, I'm sorry for the mistake. Saying sorry makes you strong, not weak. Word number 4, excuse me. Excuse me is used to speak politely. Use it when you want to ask something. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Repeat, excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, may I come in? Repeat, excuse me, may I come in? This word shows respect. Word number 5, kindly. Kindly is used in formal English. It sounds professional. For example, kindly check this email. Repeat, kindly check this email. Kindly reply soon. Repeat, kindly reply soon. Use it in office and study work. Quick revision. Let's repeat together. Please, please. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, sorry. Excuse me, excuse me. Kindly, kindly. Practice these words every day. Final message. Good English is not only about grammar, it is also about good behavior. When you speak politely, people listen to you, people respect you, and people trust you. If you like this class, don't forget to practice daily. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye and take care. If you found this lesson helpful, please do join our learning family by subscribing to Glow English Hub. Thanks for watching.